everyone. We are like everyone. My stream. It's actually a planned stream. I already scheduled this stream before. Uh, yeah, as I committed, as I agreed, I'm going to set up domain controller. My own domain controller in this stream. I'm actually beginning this setup activity for this stream. Because the domain controller setup has plenty of topics, so it one stream is not enough to contribute. So I'm planning to expand this domain controller setup stuff for upcoming streams as well. Give a heads up. Yeah, I'm giving you a heads up. Actually, let me tell you the advantages of setting up your because when you make something, you will be having a better idea about it. It will be easy for you to make the same stuff. So that's what I'm just trying to do. So there are a lot of vulnerable activity projects available on GitHub, but I'm not doing towards that as I wanted to build my own lab so that it will be easy for me to break this and also recover it from the from the compromised state. So that's why I just got to build my own lab. And yeah, actually for this, even you can, anybody can do this, anybody can do this to make a lab. I'm just trying to tell the basic design. The thing is, you need evaluation of Windows servers, because we server 2022, 2019. So whatever the version, it's really available in the Microsoft website. You can go and download it. Giving some basic details, of course. Then typical Windows framework. If you have a high-end machine, then it is possible for you to at least I would recommend having 16 gigs of RAM and system will also try this domain controller setup. I'm just telling the basic requirement. Obviously, the controller will need more capacity, so you need to allocate more resources to Windows server, and the clients you can simply make it right. That's the thing, and I don't want to take a lot of time. So I'll go and show from where I inspire to make a video like this. So let me tell you that. Give me a second. I switch my screen. There are a bunch of Active Directory projects. Please Active Directory. Now look at this. There are numerous projects available on GitHub. All these projects are extremely valuable. So projects are not recommended to be installed on production environment. These projects are just for the practice purposes. Okay, hope you got that. Yeah. admire this creator who create this project, because creator did phenomenal job, because there are a lot of population involved with this activities. I like game of Active Directory. It is actually Active Directory project, but they brought a theme to that project. They are using Game of Thrones theme to that. You can see, I mean, if you are a Game of Thrones fan, then you might have known this. There are a lot of families in Game of Thrones, a lot of houses, and also a lot of and lot of bunch of characters in Game of Thrones, right? So this created, the project created, used all those fictional characters and built I mean around that Game of Thrones characters. So that's the thing that I really like about this God project, right? You may see not only just one project, there are I think 3-4 projects available in this project. You can see first one is God, normal Game of Active Directory setup, and it has 5 VMs, 2 forests, and 3 domains. Right? It has this. When I see this diagram, it gave me an insight how you should think a domain lab set. I just think that a own project like this. I mean, this would be a bit hard to say now itself at this stage, but I will definitely try to build definitely with bunch of configurations, right? You may see there are you can see the things in the something each all these things and you can see multiple stuff and you can see the relationship. This is what we typically call forest. That is between 2 domains and one or more domains combined for the forest. And if you go and check either the modules and try learning active fundamentals, you might be number of areas, one of it, but it might be confusing you. At the same time, if you parallelly build your own lab and learn those theories aside, then I think it would be very easy for you to understand this Active Directory fundamentals. So that's what I'm saying, and I'm also yes. I think GOAE it is actually for people who enough resources. If you have insufficient resources, then you may consider having this collaborate. So this is actually the lighter version of Active Directory than this. You will see the difference. The first version involved, the file servers involved in the first version, and the second version has only 2 servers and fewer users than. So this is the second project, and there is also an app. This is not actually this architecture. They actually expose the architecture of projects. You see this one, this is actually the architecture. So they just gave an insight. It has to be one forest and the rest of the things you need to build this lab. You need to install this lab in your environment and you need to practice it on your own. It's just like testing this lab, trying to find the vulnerabilities, exploiting this lab. So that's the intention of and SEC, I guess they have added this new feature. It's not software saying the SCM is a place where actually because you have used it installing packages, softwares on your all your systems, like a package management software management stuff. So that can be done with this along with DC. So that's another interesting thing added into this project. Another further in this God cap. So let me check this. I think this is a lab. What about this? NHA is actually a challenge. What are all the what are all the attributes, parameters that every user should contain? What are all the groups to be created? Which users to be part of which group? So all these things will be so in what way you are going to build your Active Directory, and that thing will be defined in schema part, right? You can see the requirements. It has 27 gigs of RAM. Lab is 8 GB. So these are the requirements. So if you have this tool, right. You go here and I'm not going to as I said, I'm going to install my own domain controller, own Active Directory. Okay. I also found an interesting thing that I've also got an idea. I'm going to build my Active Directory lab around the tree. Okay. I'll reveal all those things in the upcoming streams. For now, I'll go to my VMware workstation. VMware workstation actually VMware made this workstation pro available for personal use. I think it happened a couple of months ago. So you may use this VMware workstation free of cost for the personal use. So that's why I started using it. I felt very useful. All right, I'll go and start developing. I'm going to install a server first because I'm going to install a Windows Server 2022. That is going to be my domain controller. I'm going to install my domain controller on that, right? So let me do that. First of all, I need to go and click new virtual machine. I'll install Windows and what can I name this? Controller. Okay, I'll name it wait my controller 0. So I'll name it. Let me reveal what I mentioned. What does that mean? I'll explain that in a moment. But before that, let me go create a folder for this. Windows Server 2022. I'll go next, and I allocate space of 80 gigs. What is the recommended space for a domain controller? Just 14 GB allocated. Okay, I'll just keep it recommended space for Windows Server 2016. I'll keep 60 then. No issue for problem. Fine. I store the as a single file. Customize the hardware. Go here, assigning 8 of languages and 4 cores processor. Add this image. Okay, I'll add this ISO image. I already have that ISO image ready. I'll add this image. I have downloaded it from the Windows Eval Center. You can go and download this yourself. Windows download. You will see the link for Microsoft Evaluation Center. And all you need to do is go download ISO and give your details here. Right. That's what you need to do. Fine. I'm just putting it within this RAID folder. Alright. I'll go this. I'm configuring the Windows Server 2020. So I'm just installing the Windows Server, then configure the controller. Okay. I lost it. It's gonna take some time. Let's wait. Yeah, we got this. Actually, it has four versions. For data center and standard stuff. Standard evaluation means you will just get the command line interface, and standard evaluation is desktop experience. You will get the desktop. So, more user interface. So I'm going to choose this desktop experience. I'll tell you, I'm going to use some scripts as well, but I can just open the PowerShell prompt and use the scripts from there. So as a beginner, when this is the first time I'm setting up a domain controller, so I'm going to be using desktop experience for the sake of learning. Clicking next, accepting the terms, install. Now it's going to install. saying right here, in case if you want to learn, domain controller or Active Directory, if you want to learn how Active Directory works and also then I highly recommend you to take the Hack the Box Academy module, Active Directory Basics. It's actually a tier 0 module, suppose. You need not to pay anything to unlock that module. You can, if you sign up, you'll be given 50 cubes, I suppose. We just need 50 cubes to unlock module. Just 10 cubes out of 50 to unlock a module. You can unlock that Active Directory Basics module, and you can learn the basic, the objects present in Active Directory, the basic objects, and also you can also the functions theoretically, I'm saying. So a lot of theories involved in that module. At the end of that module, you will be asked to do practical domain setup. So it will be easy for you to learn the fundamentals. It's done, I guess. I think it's happening. It's almost. Let's set things up. I'm installing this Windows Server first. Best practices. Once you are installing any new operating system, then it is advised to enable the template mode and take a quick snapshot of it. So that it will be easy for you to clone that system if you need to expand it, if you need to create a duplicate system. You need not to do it from scratch. I don't have any post code. I don't have it in my Hyper. That's why I'm creating it from scratch. Okay. Now, Windows, I need to give my administrator password. I want to set a strong password. Let me set that in a moment. And create a strong password for this. I'm doing the password temporarily. Let me change. I haven't installed the Nmap tools, so I'm unable to copy that hard password to this VM. So I'll give my password here. Simple password. So it's simple enough. It's a simple. installed Windows Server 2022. Yeah, yeah, and I opened the menu and type to ensure installation. It's Windows Server 2022. Yeah, and installing. Here is the server manager. Going to use the server manager in a moment. But before that, let me go and install the VMware tools. Is it already installed? Yes, it is. Voice is not positive, maybe some network glitch. Hi, Iris B. Iris Bar. Okay. I just installed the Windows Server 2022 and I need to change the password to modification. And what I need to do, I need to take a snapshot of it and I need to enable the template mode. I need to code it. So these are the things I need to do. So when I'm planning to add my when I plan to add another domain controller to this domain, it will be easy for me to just code that and use it. I'm still facing the voice issues. Any issues with the voice? Is it breaking really? And you may see Windows Server 2022 evaluation version, Windows license valid for 180 days around. But I think even this 180 days expires, it will work just fine. You won't face any issues. That's what I believe. I will need to change the domain password. So let me put that in moment. Okay. just trying to change the password of it, so bear with me. Yeah, I have changed it. What the heck? I'm unable to use it. It's not working. So I okay. Please. Yes. Paste the password. I need to get Sai. Password is incorrect. Uh, is the password. Try once again. Enter this password. Capital F6. I showed this password. No issues showing it. Q dollar LYP AV XSR R O dot O dot. How about, yeah. I think I need to uninstall it again. This bad. What about it? Do this. I'll reinstall it again. Now the name as it is because I'm going to create it. I'm going to put it as a template. Put it in a template mode and create names from that template. So I'll remove all this old files. So I'm selecting space it so processor go in here and there is okay okay close it, finish it and just bring it in the options. While it's installing, if you have any question, you may ask chat. It's getting installed. It will not be done very soon. Once it is done, I will take screenshot and edit the template code and clone it to another Windows server, and I'm going to use that clone as the template. Okay, it's going to restart. So once it restarts, I'll, I'll try to configure the credentials and VMware to enable the resolution full screen. So we enable all those features like copy paste, drag and drop between the guest and host VM, host resolution, everything comes everything will come with the VMware tools. Yeah. I'll give a simple password. Remember, I'm not change, I'm not going to put the password now. I simply got to keep it in my lab, right? It's going to be my lab password, so not a big deal. But when you are configuring your domain controller in a production environment, it's advised to configure the best password possible. I mean, difficult password possible. I'll go and install the well, 24 180 days, same stuff. Once again, generally the installation process is not taking. That's why I keep it for a stream. Now, the first one is enabled. Right now. So I installed Windows Server now. I had to make this I had to put this as a domain controller. But before that, I'm going to take a snapshot of it, right? Because this is going to be the template. I'm going to use this template to clone and make the other server VMs if I need. Right? and shut it down. I think we snapshot of it. Maybe I'll go here and take a snapshot. Or biggest about that. Snapshot of it. And the next thing you do is go to settings and options, and here go to advanced and enable this. Enable template mode to be used for cloning. So once you enable this template mode, you'll be able to clone this VM and create another VM from this. So in future, if you want to install Windows Server, you need not to install it from the scratch. You may simply clone it from this template, right? So that's what I'm going to do. And it's actually the template mode is enabled right now. I'm going to clone it. You can see you go manage and you see an option to clone. And I'm going to do clone of this snapshot. So this is the only snapshot I created. And I go here and I'm creating a full clone. Full clone means create a new virtual machine from that template from the scratch. So everything, the disk, everything will be a separate stuff. So I need a full clone. So I'm doing it. And the virtual machine name, I'll do one thing here. I go and create a folder called RAID. I'll explain what this RAID means. Before that, I just create a folder and drop my VM here. In RAID, I need to create a folder, and that is called maybe domain controller 1. The virtual name would be maybe 601. Giving this as a virtual machine. Fine. Now it's cloning. In few seconds, we created a new missing this here. I made a blunder. So let me remove this. I delete this. So whatever I created, VMware VMs, I create all this stuff before here. Remove this. Template mode is enabled. I need to remove this. Yeah. Okay. And I go snapshot manager. I don't want to load it again, so I forgot to remove this, so that's why I did this again. I'm gonna go and take a snapshot again. Go here and go to new settings, advanced, enabling template mode. Okay, now I'm going to clone it. And DNS. Wait, this is it. We have created our domain controller. Now I can simply go here and on this. Now we have done the domain Windows Server installation, and we took a snapshot of it. We enabled template mode and we cloned it and created a new Windows Server, which is going to be our domain controller. One. And now I'm going to promote this Windows Server as a domain controller. And important step to follow. So let me tell you how to do it. Now you see the server manager. It can be done in various ways. The Active Directory or the Active Directory stuff can be done either from PowerShell or from the desktop stuff. I think there are a few other ways to configure your Active Directory or your server as a domain controller. I'm going to use the desktop manager. You can see the server manager here. I'm going to use this one alone to install this domain controller. Just as I'm doing it for the first time, I'm just going to stick with the basic stuff and also the easiest one. Okay, now I'm in the server manager. All you need to do is go to manage and add roles and features. Okay, now here this wizard tells you to install roles and services and features. So this is what we need to do. Role based or feature based installation. So this is what we prefer. We are not going to install any of services for this. So just a role based stuff. Clicking next, and you can see it's named the server as some random things, alphanumeric characters. Address it as 192.168.7.4.5, and this is the IP address and the server host. Right? Okay, I go next, and here what I need to install is Active Directory Domain Service. This is the service we need. We need to install this service as domain controller. Yeah. Active Directory Domain Service. So this one we need to install. And DNS servers, of course, we need to install this. What else? Apart from this, installing domain controller and DNS server, and not a file service. Remote access. I'm not installing any remote access. So in this actually a web server. I'm not installing web server. I go install these two alone. Active Directory Domain Services and DNS server. Looks okay. I go to the next page, and here what I need to do. Group policy management. We need to install the default check. So we use to do the configuration changes to various systems that are joined. Else. Microsoft Defender is enabled by default. Remote server administration. PowerShell and XPS W64. Alright, I click next. So you may see the options we chose: Active Directory Domain Services and DNS. So these two resources we are installing right now. Now it's being installed. Okay. So we are installing the Active Directory tools here in this Windows server. So once it is installed, we need to enable this support. So that is what promotes server as a domain controller. It will take some time to install first. Installation succeeded. Configuration required. Okay. I closed it and I go to ADDS. And here you see configuration required for Active Directory domain services at this. What configuration? And then you see the warning message. Promote the server to a domain controller. So we need to click this to promote this server to domain controller. So let me do this and add a domain controller to an existing domain, or add a domain to existing forest, or add a new forest. So what I need to do, I need to do add a new forest. Yeah, add a new forest. That's what I need to do. Add a domain, new domain to the existing forest. So okay. Add a new forest. So let me give the domain name here, and I'm taking this. I'm just considering this place to disclose the theme I'm going to use to build this activity. I'm going to use a theme for WWD, a word statement. I hope you see the wrestling shows. WWE. I think you heard of it. So I'm going to use that WWE as the theme to build this Active Directory setup. Okay, so that will be my theme, and I'm going to create a domain called www.local. Okay, this will be my root domain name. I'm clicking next. Now it's deploying configuration. Now we are doing the configuration. Okay, we are installing the domain controller. Right? Fine. Windows Server 2016. Some functional level. I think functional is nothing but the compatibility stuff. When you are handling multiple domain controllers in the environment, what should be the version of each domain controller to be able to synchronize the data between themselves. So that is all about the functional level. Okay. And specific domain controller capabilities. Domain name, system server, global catalog. So I want to install this DNS server and also the global catalog. Global catalogs are nothing but it's like a dictionary, that is where all the objects that we create on AD get stored. Fine. Type the Active Directory. I'll do the same. I'm just leaving it as a default one. Yes, utilization for the same service notification cost which requires of verify the employer's name assigned to this domain and change it if it is necessary. So it's loading. I think it should be www. Yeah, it's www. That's an employer's name. Now you see the list of folders. The NTDS is the file essential, I mean, the crucial file. It's like part of the Active Directory. That is where all the total catalog, all the data related to Active Directory gets stored. So if you are a forensic analyst, if you are doing some incident response stuff, you always start with this NTDS file, particularly if you are against Active Directory, because that's where all users credentials, all users details, their privileges, everything gets stored. The file extension should be NTDS.dit, I suppose. That's the extension, and I mean, yeah, that's the extension, and that's the folder where the database, the Active Directory database is stored. And the syscall folder is related to group policy. That's where the group policy related files get stored. During your pen testing assessments, you might have witnessed it. Whenever you do the FMP integration, you will often see the syscall folder. You will see the re-access syscall folder. So if you see such access, it is always a good practice to open the folder and see what sort of things is in there, because it will give you some lead to your next step. So that's what I wanted to say. Next, configure the server as the first Active Directory domain controller in a new forest. The new domain would be www.local. This is also the name of the new forest. Fine. The base name of the domain is WWE and the functional level is 2016. I think since it is 2016, we'll be able to use Windows servers till Windows Server 2016. We cannot use the server version below Windows Server 2012. We cannot use those versions in our environment. That's what I believe. Global catalog, yes. DNS server, yes. No DNS delegation. And these are the configurations needed. It's okay. Verifying prerequisites for domain control operation. Okay. Yeah. That's okay. Prerequisites check passed successfully. So to install this. Okay. Server successfully configured as a domain controller. Fine. Now we have promoted this Windows server as a domain controller, and it's being restarted right now. Yeah. I think I must have configured I must have configured this IP addresses statically, IP address of the domain statically. I think that was the configuration stuff I missed. Because you don't want to see your domain address IP get changed also. Let me see this. It's reloading right now. Yeah. You should have seen the IP address which is domain controller. I think before installing domain controller, I should have modified the IP settings, but I unfortunately missed it. Let me try doing it now. So it's applying all the settings. Once it's done, I'll try to change the IP statically and also note down the IP. And I need to use that IP as the DNS server in my clients. So I'll explain that in a moment. Meanwhile, I'll do one thing. I'll take this Windows 11 base. This is the machine. See, I already joined the one. So I already created the Windows 11 client template. So I just need to close this. So this machine is going to be my client machine to the domain. So this machine is going to join the domain mail PC. The domain we just created. Okay. It's applying a name of this I'm creating a new folder and like this. How about that? Client or client one. So I'll just mention like this, CL0 to denote client one. Okay, I created a client machine also. Ready? Now if it's booted up, I go here and now you see it says WWE administrator. So I think it became a domain controller. That's what it says. Okay, I go here and try changing the IP address because I want to make it as a static IP. So let me do that. I go here, change adapter settings. Here, go to properties, changing the IP address. It's actually. Now let me check the IP address. I want to assign the same IP address. I do not get to any problem. So this is my IP address and this is the subnet mask and gateway. So I'm able to. So let me check. Now this is my IP that got assigned. Dynamically. 192.168.75. Okay, let me assign the same IP. Go here and I will assign this IP. 192.168.75. Or how to my own network. So it's a little complex. I'll do one thing. I'll go and shut it down. Shut down -h now. I'm shutting down my domain. I'll change my network adapter. I'll define a network. And again, I'll restart this. Go to this. Edit network card. Use first one. I'll configure this network creator. First one link is the network 192.168.0. It's connected. I can create this adapter if I want. The NAT adapter is BM8 and it is the IP address. I want to go and change these settings. host only VMnet 2. So that's the network I need to use. Okay, now I go here and this VMnet. So I define this one. Okay, fine. And I start this VC now. Okay, it's starting. And open server manager and check domain controller config right now. Okay, it's here. 10, 10, 16, 128. IP taken random. Okay. It will be like yeah. This is the IP I got. Virtual network configuration once again. Change settings. Starting address, ending address. I'm supposed to change this because the first IP itself is 128. I want to change it as maybe 10, 16, 5 or about 10, 16. So just IP is right will be in range between 10, 10, 16, 10 to 10, 10, 16 to 54. I'm planning to assign this specific IP to the domain controller, so I will take this to domain. I will take this to domain so that my client will get the IP of love. What is the least? I should have done this before installing the domain controller. Failed to do that. But the best practice is whenever you are about to install a domain controller or promote your Windows server, do the IP changes. Configure static IP so that the IP will not change. You want it to be a constant IP because when your clients join your domain, your clients don't like IP change. So we create issues. Okay, so that one you can keep in mind. Fine. Go here and start the DC. We already configured the controller. We are just doing the IP configuration now. So once it is done, I'll tell you how you should join your client machine to the domain we created. Okay. Time for the domain controller to get started is relatively larger than your normal machine startup time because it has to start variable services that are happening. I go here and say 10.16.28, so I can change this IP address. Internet settings. Change network adapter settings. Configuring the domain controller, you need to configuring it as a DNS server as well. So our DNS server is this domain controller itself. So it should be the loopback address referring to the whole system. Okay, so this is what the DNS configuration of a domain controller. You should mention the loopback address. So this is very important point that you need to keep in mind. Okay, fine. I guess I'm refreshing it. Now it changed. It is changed. Now it has got changed. Now we have our domain controller ready. The static IP is assigned to it, and the thing we need to do here is I think I haven't configured this. So let me go and check this editor. I think in host-only editor you will no longer have the internet connectivity. External connection NAT, here there is no external connection. TCP settings, it was fine. Change settings. Yeah. I enable yes. So I think if I enable that, cannot change the network to NAT. Only one network can be set to NAT. Now this NAT network is already set to NAT. So we will no longer able to internet connectivity, but it is not required. It's a domain controller. It's going to be an isolated uh, go here and how about taking this? Okay. I name it as way maybe. Or the network. Now our domain controller is ready. So we need to keep this domain controller open. But before that, I'll take snapshot of it before any system joins to this domain controller. I want to take a snap of it. Sorry, shut it down. Take a snapshot. I'll mention it as the domain controller first. Okay. Take the snapshot. Take way DC 0. Domain configure. Domain server. Domain install and configure. Fine. I took the screenshot for this domain controller. I'll start this domain controller and also parallelly I'll start this. I change this network setup to AD network. Yeah, correct. So I change it to the same network as DC one. I keep it as the same network. So fine. I start this client machine as well. Now, other machine, standalone machine. This, what is that? Domain controller. Let's start. The server is ready. Let me check what is the IP we got in client. We got 11, 10, 10, 16. So as per DHCP, basically 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. I'm able to do the domain control. The domain control is featured from the client. Now, what we need to do? We need to configure the DNS server, because when you try to join the domain controller, you will try to perform the DNS resolution for the domain that we are going to add. For that, it needs a DNS server. I go here, I need not to add the address because is totally fine. The same way as the domain controller. I go here and network DNS server as well. DNS server is since we are configuring the IP address of our controller here in DNS client machine, we need our domain controller to have a static IP address. So it's clear. Okay, DNS IP is our domain controller IP. And I'm saying okay, and yeah, that's it. I configured that. I configured the domain controller IP. Now what I need to do, the server is 1016. So if I try to install local, it will resolve itself. Yeah, you can see that. So that's what I want to see. Okay. Fine. I want to go. Next thing is to join our client machine to domain. So this is the last step to do. Is here domain hardware. This one. Rename this computer or change its domain or group change. So I'm clicking change here and I'm joining a domain. The number of domain, I need to mention a domain name right now. So the domain name is nothing but www.local. It's asking me to enter the name. Okay, asking for a name and password. So what to give? It's asking my local account or a computer account at this stage. What if I give this? Okay, Okay, I think we need to create a computer account. Then only we can just use the computer account here to join the domain. So we need a computer name and domain change. Enter the name and password of the account for me to join the domain. So I think that's what we need to do. We need a computer account to join. Fine. Let's go to domain computer and I'll explain how to create a computer account. For that you need to check for the utility. It is already installed here. Active directory users and computers. So this is the utility we are going to use, and you see the domain that we created. What is this? www.local. Okay, and I go to computers. Here I'm just right clicking and click new and adding the new computer. The computer name is what would be the computer name? Give CL01 maybe or CL01. How about that? Client 01, because that's what the client name we have. Where CL01. So you can use where CL01. Where CL01. I'll take it. And it was the name. It has to be either numbers or alphabets or periods. Hello. Fine enough. Fine. Okay. Now I have created a computer account. Okay. Now what I need to do? Properties. I didn't enter any password. Manage. Here in computer management, created a computer and here browse it and understand. To join the domain and click OK. Username and password. It's not a computer account. Okay. Now I need to create a user for this. I was doing it for the first time, sorry, I didn't know. That's fine, no issues at all. I'll go to PC1 and go to user. Here I need to use the user account. So I the user must be having a permission to join the domain and click OK. Domain name, ID, password, like this. So here is the command to join the computer. Domain. Here is the option command to join the domain. Okay, I think I should have used that admin credential. What about using a normal user to join the I'll try this. Just give a try. I go and create a new user, and the user, the first name is I'll give a name of my name. Firma name is P. Jagan. So the naming convention is like this. Okay. P. Jagan. Okay. Just give it one small password here. Okay, user must be no password. I just remove it. Password never changes. Password. Account disabled. Next. Okay. Now you see my user login name and the full name of it. I finished this post and I said password. Password. Okay. I think I need to use a password. Maybe I'll use this. Next, finish. Now I have a user, Firma Jagan, a normal user I have. Now I have a normal user and also the administrator's password. Now what I'm going to do, I'll try both the accounts. First I'll try my account to join the domain and then I try the administrator because I don't want to be used to join the domain. Just to learn the stuff, I'm using this. Okay. Fine. So, username should be the name of display name. Jagan. So as this group has its own privileges, schema is one of the top privileges of the domain. I'll outline this maybe in the part in the upcoming slides. Fine, I go here now. I go to CL. Welcome to www.local. So we wanted just a user account to join a domain. So we use that user account and we join to the domain. You can see www.local.domain. So that's the domain is set right now. We joined this system to the domain. Now it's restarting to take this change effect. Restart. Restart. So while logging in, I'll be logging in with the user account, the domain user account. Now we are all set. We joined this client machine to the domain. But here, if I click other user, see the machine is already joined to the domain www, and I'll give the name as the name, my name. Now I logged in as a domain user. This is what we create. Okay. Now here is the display name. So this is the display name we mentioned while this is the display name we mentioned while creating the user on I want to check one thing. When I join your machine, will you create any new machine account here? But what is the purpose of machine account creating? I don't get. I think I need to learn more about this computer first. Okay. Now the thing is, we created one user and we joined. Actually, there is another client system. We have joined our client system by just going to properties of the PC. Here, our device folder. Name of the device, how to change it. Okay, I think I'll just rename this. Requested operation requires elevation. So I'm using administrator's password. Okay, now current PC name is this. I can rename my PC. How I can rename my PC? Maybe here take the name of this computer account where it is. Just take the name of and here we just name this PC name is already being used in a different name. Since we created a machine account, it is not considering this as name. Okay. I go here and what if I here's the computer. It's a domain controller actually. this, rename this. Now I give this name. Let's upload it. Let's upload. After you restart your PC, we haven't defined any computer term on our PC. We are directly trying to join from a client. At that stage, what happens? Go here. PC properties. Now the PC name properties. Yes, the name of the device. Where go to domain controller and see refresh it. So I can do it in two ways. Either you can add your domain here. Otherwise you can directly join your client system to your domain. Automatically your host name will be added here as a computer. So that's the thing. I have a computer here and I created the user account also, and I am able to access the client system as the user, as a user. Confirm that. I go here CMD. I'm actually using it again as the domain www.root. Sorry. Excuse me. Yeah. Now, configure this basic computer stuff. Maybe take a snapshot of this client system as well. Now, what I can do, maybe I will in the upcoming stream try to write a PowerShell script, because we need to do a lot of configuration. We just install the domain controller. We have to do a lot of stuff here. We need to configure the stuff. We need to put our system in a separate group. We need to configure stuff. We need to configure the there are lots of configurations. We do that perform this kind of activities together. Yeah, I think we've been speaking for more than the past. I think this is the time to end the stream. I'll try to end the stream here. So we will get the videos on the context. I'll try to make videos interesting malware attacks, forensics, parallel stuff. If I get any interesting concept, I will try to make some antivirus, some media bypassing concepts also. So I'll try to engage those things. Yeah, I think I don't have nothing. I don't have to say in this stream. Hopefully we had some productive session. We have controller and we have configured computer account, user account, and we were successfully able to log in. So, yeah, I think this is what I wanted to explain. Something from this thing. I like to stay here. You have a good week.